Hello everyone, this is my quick build of the miniature fire helicopter. And I will start off by making the minifigure. Simple fireman. The really common smirk face. Now, let's get on with the thing itself. Shoot. And while you're watching, well, no, not while you're watching, as I'm building, my brother is working on some other videos. Say hi. Hello. He's working on some videos like the, quick build of the Bark Speeder that you get with the Clone Battle Pack. 2010? The 2010, not the new one. And then also there will be some videos of some custom Lego Star Wars things we've made, like the Republic turret and oh wait, no, yes he has. Never mind, he's shown that one already.
I showed it with the custom weapon drone.
Right. So there will also be some
Plo Koon Starfighter review.
The Plo Koon Starfighter review, and that's it. No quick build for that one. We don't have the instructions. Anyway, right now I am working on building the little folding or the opening cockpit. I know this thing may look a little wrong. It's because I don't have the instructions, but it looks pretty much like what it's supposed to look like. And that is the fire helicopter quick build. Check back for more videos in the future. Goodbye.